Good evening all. Today is going to be a second video in a series for this 2016 CBR650F. For this video I'm going to demonstrate to you how to replace the rear turn signal bulbs right over here with LEDs. So if your light burns out or if you want to replace it, it's a 7506 bulb, and for me I just wanted to get something real bright that's not going to burn out, and it kind of has an added effect depending how you look at it. So if you're going to put LED bulbs in your turn signals, the one thing that's going to happen is you're going to experience this phenomenon called hyperflash. This happens because the relay basically does not operate at the proper resistance, making it flash more often. However, the added bonus is with a motorcycle, it's improved safety, and as you can see right here, the LED is much brighter. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and replace it. So what you're going to need for this is you're going to need whatever 7506 bulb you go with. For me, I chose these Sylvania Zivas. I've been a big favor of them, and I've already replaced that one, so I'm just going to show you how to do it on this one. All you're going to really need is a screwdriver and the bulbs. So on the bottom over here, there's going to be a screw. You're going to want to go ahead and undo it. And once you do, it's just going to drop out, and you're just going to pull off on the lens right here. So be careful for this rubber. That is the sealant between the cap and that. So once you get that over with, go ahead and push in on the bulb and twist it out. And just like that, you're already halfway done. So then you're going to go ahead and grab your bulb, and you're going to retrace your steps. So you put it in, and then twist it to the right to lock it in place. And when you do that, just make sure that it works, which it does. So you're going to take your cap and make sure this locking tab goes in first. And then you go ahead and put the rest of the lens on. And grab the screwdriver. And just like that is how you replace the rear turn signal bulbs on a 2016 CBR 650F.